Labour Party presidential candidate. Hey.
Like every other Nigerian, today is our voting day, so we should all just go out and vote.
Okay, sir. The security situation in Southeast Nigeria. Do you think enough?
Face us, sir. Face us, sir. Come on. Face here. Face here, sir. Face here, sir. It's better we do this interview.
Okay, after.
When they set up, so we know what is happening. So I'm giving you people fair comment. Anything I give you now, I don't even know. Nobody has even called me. I just came here because my brother wants me. Everybody knows that I do mass every morning. I only came here to do mass. And I'm going to go and come back. So when I come back, so I have assessment to tell you. I haven't seen the people. Have you seen them? No. So what am I going to be telling you now? No, I can't tell you that one. If you want to walk around with me in the market, so you see the security situation. They say no movement. They say no movement. So nobody is there. So I didn't see anybody. How can I tell you about security situation? Just wait, when they start, they will have something to comment on. That's the property. If you think otherwise, so we are commenting when there's nothing. When they start, people call around, you hear people's phone, they tell you what is happening in Meduguri or Sokoto, but then you can talk. But if you start talking now, you're just stop taping, you're wasting. This is not good. I'm only just advising you people. Let's do what we don't saturate social media with nonsense. When we have good news, say it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm available for you people. Don't worry. I'm available. Let's know what is happening. Nobody has done anything anywhere.
So they live for Agolo inside the Anambra State, where the Labour Party presidential candidate will be in country home. So we are within a family compound within inside Agolo, and we there here to give an information with waiting they happen for election matter for Anambra State. So this now the Labour Party presidential candidate. So we will give an update with waiting to they happen for this area. So just they join us. This now BBC News Pidgin, and then Nigeria they conduct their presidential election today will be 25th of February 2023, and we go they give an update with waiting they happen for Anambra State and with waiting they happen for the election matter, especially for where the Labour Party presidential candidate go vote today. So
I can't start my day without doing maths because by His grace that you are alive. So let me take a walk. Take walk. I'm going to be going to the place, but I want to walk there. So I just take here and walk. People should have decided to let me take a morning walk to I see my village and see don't worry, you are people should don't be coming, sir. Don't worry, I have enough people. I'm not going to vote. Okay. I'm going to visit my people in my village. You know.
So this now the Labour Party presidential candidate who name now Peter Obi, and where we dey like for inside Agolo, we dey inside Anambra State.
So you see my mother's where I live. You know, I must say. So all I'm doing now is going around in my village. Don't worry, when the time comes now, you have everything. We switch into the news center. News channel.
We had
where are you from? Spain. Which sort of Spain are you? Which sort of Spain are you?
Madrid.
Oh no, you're Catholic. Are you?
Egypt, sir.
I was in Cairo.
Yeah?
I was in Cairo this country. See what people do. The people work in power.
Yeah.
Which media house are you?
Associated Press.
Go come, let's work as family. Let's work. When the time comes, we'll talk. I was in Egypt recently. I went to study what? They did a lot of work in power.
Yeah. He's talking to you. Yeah.
They did a lot of work in power area.
Power area.
You know, electricity.
Yeah. We're building a new city.
No, it's fantastic. I want to see
If you become president, do you plan on building? How do you plan on dealing with the power situation in Nigeria?
We declare war on it.
Great.
It must work. Because you double job
Yes.
in 3 years. So I went to visit all the power stations, went to visit the 2 companies, Siemens and where is the Egyptian company? Yeah. I was there for 4 days with the African Afro-Exim Bank. Yeah.
What are the experiments from the region are you hoping to be inspired by to fix Nigeria's problems?
Oh, they'll see it.
Yeah?
Not even the people.
They'll feel it.
Yeah?
Governance is about people feeling it and doing it. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
People have come when I closed my campaign on Friday. I see me in the market. No, I don't come. I can tell you in the market. That's how you know whether the people want you or not. Watch your back. So, station here.
Watch your back.
What station here so I can go and do other things and come back. Thank you. When I'm here, I go to the village. I have to go to greet people. This is my village. And I feel like every other person in the village. Everybody here is equal. There's no great person in this village. Because God created us to be like that. Equal. So when I'm in this village, nobody, except that we have a chairman who is chairman of the village. He's not there. I wish he's around. Everybody is expressing. I have a traditional ruler. If you were here yesterday, I was there. Have to go and kneel down for him because they are traditional ruler. Have to respect him. That's how our lives are. So that's what I do. I do it every day. Just like you are. You're my sister. Thank you.
Okay, this na BBC News Pidgin and we dey live for inside Agolo where the Labour Party presidential candidate from. And here we dey na Anambra State. And wetin dey happen today for Nigeria na the presidential election wey go hold today for all the 36 states wey dey inside Nigeria plus the FCT Abuja. So we go dey give una update with wetin dey happen for here and wetin dey happen for Agolo, especially where the Labour Party candidate go cast im vote this morning, and then we go dey give una with any information wey una want, especially for Anambra State. Una good morning.